Hello, hello. How are you today? Good news today about Builderall. Very good news, long-awaited news. Now, as an affiliate, if you want to be paid, there is not only the PayPal option, there is a new e-wallet. So when you log in your affiliate menu, here you go to get paid, and you will see how to set up your e-wallet, access your e-wallet. So basically, what you have to do is to create an account on this e-wallet, and now all your commission will be sent to your e-wallet, and from there you can choose how you are going to be paid, either by PayPal or by check or by bank transfer, bank deposit. You have a list of options, which is good because before that the only option was PayPal, so it wasn't really an option. Uh, Now through the e-wallet, you can choose how to receive the money, maybe even get paid by Bitcoin. So it's good for affiliates in countries where PayPal is not available. You cannot be paid by PayPal, or even in countries where PayPal is available, but the individual has been banned from PayPal for whatever reason. So now you can be paid. So this is a good news, and also, in my opinion, a wonderful news is that they stop the bullshit of the new compensation plan. If you have followed Builderall, you know that since the end of March 2019, there was a panic attack um, in Builderall about FTC because uh, for the plan, the affiliate program was you need to buy Builderall business, so the highest price, and then you can be affiliate of Builderall. And this is something that FTC uses to close companies when you get paid for recruiting new distributors, new affiliates. And it was the case because you were paid to bring a customer to Builderall, but a special customer, a customer at a plan where he could be also an affiliate. And there were some funnels which were based only on this, only on the money opportunity. They said, look, if you want to earn money, simply copy my funnel, the funnel you are watching now, and for that you need to buy Builderall, then import my funnel and promote this funnel. And the other people will see this funnel, will buy Builderall and import the funnel and promote it, etc., etc. So this was not good for FTC, so they realized that, and they made the affiliate program free. Then they decided to hire an expert in MLM compensation plans. So this expert made an MLM plan because he's an expert in this, and the affiliate program was now you need to pay to be an affiliate. And this compensation plan took about 15 minutes to explain, and nobody listened for 15 minutes. And then to understand it, you need to spend more time. After listening to the explanation, you need to put it in your head and understand it. And nobody was doing that. So you could see in Google Trends, for the popularity of keywords, the Builderall uh, keyword was going down, 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 because it was not interesting anymore. So thankfully, the CEO Eric Salgado admitted that it was a big mistake that he made, of course, because you can see the numbers, you can see Google Trends, it was obvious. And also there is a new director of sales, director of marketing named David Sharp. David Sharp is well known for doing Empower Network and now legendary marketer. So he told Eric at the time, no, don't do that. MLM plan like this people don't want complicated stuff. But it was already in the process, so he did it. Eric did it, and finally, thankfully, let's forget about all this. Since 1st November, now we go back to the previous plan, but with some changes. First, there is a fee to be an affiliate, a $50 fee per year. Okay, so listen, I know there are a few people who don't want to pay to be an affiliate. It's a principle, and this I understand. It's very few people, but also the $50 fee allow the market to be protected against all those newbies who will register for a free affiliate program and try to send their links, their affiliate links everywhere, to make a few videos on YouTube, a few articles, and try to sell it by being a free affiliate. All those people, they will not be in competition. They will not create noise. because of those $50 per year, which is nothing. Because if you listen to the affiliate program, you know, I will tell you the first level, which means your personal sales. When you sell a Builderall account, you earn 100% commission on the first month and 30% on all the recurring months for the life of the customer. So this means, let's take the Builderall full plan, which is priced at $69.90. So you get 100% of it, minus the processing fees, the few dollars. So you make a sale of the Builderall, the real Builderall, and you already paid for your $50 and with profit. There is another plan of Builderall, limited one, $29. So yes, for this you will need to make 2 sales just to pay back this fee. So the fee is insignificant. And by the way, if you want to be my affiliate, my second level, I will pay this fee for you, the $50 fee, as long as you have at least one customer. Because in 1 year, I will earn the $50, so I can pay it for you if you don't want to pay it, and if you want to be under me. Because for the affiliate program, as I say, the first level is 100% the first month and 30% recurring. But there is also a second level, so that's where you can be my affiliate. This second level, if you sell a plan, Builderall plan, you get the 100%, I get 0%. But on the recurring months, you earn 30% every month, and I earn 30% also. So this was the affiliate plan of before. The second level with a 30% recurring commission. 30% is the same as my sales. So when you sell, I earn the same as if I was selling, except for the first month. So this is very interesting because it allows us to recruit new affiliates and to help them as if it were us. It means if you sell, it's like if I sell. So I have no problem helping you to sell. You understand? It's so easy to explain and to understand, and people immediately see the potential. Because a second level is made to play on the lotto mentality of people. Everyone thinks, oh yeah, but if I can get an affiliate who will be selling 100 plans every month, then I will get rich, I will earn 30%, and I will not have to sell it myself. Everybody is like this, and it's true that it can happen. You never know, you can find an affiliate under you and you will sell a lot. You don't know, so it can happen. And this second level is very good for this, to play on the lotto mentality. But usually, the second levels in affiliate program are very small, like 5%. On your sales, you earn 40% or 50%, but on the second level, just 5% or 10%, just to say there is a second level. But in Builderall, the second level is the same as the first one. So this lotto mentality cannot resist to this affiliate program. It's a very good one. So of course there is now a fee, but the fee, you can say, like I do, I will pay it for you. You can, because it's good to have an affiliate, and you say, I'm going to pay it for you every year, only if you have at least one sale. And if someone can make one sale, then he can make 2, 3, so it doesn't matter. And it's good. It's a good argument to say, yes, there is a fee, but I pay it for you. It's easy to do. You will not lose money, and the person will say, oh yes, I will sign up under him because he will pay my fee, so it will be free for me. So it's a win-win here. In the affiliate program, there is also a bonus to motivate. It's called the lifestyle bonus. It means if you have 100 customers on your personal level, the first level, your personal sales, 100 customers or more, you earn monthly $500 in addition to all the commissions you get already from those 100 customers. So $500 every month as a bonus. And if you get 200 and more, you earn $1,000 monthly as a bonus. So, it's good, why not? But, we have first to get to 100 customers. And this is the part I say is not perfect, because what I liked in the previous one, the MLM, the only things I liked about it is that this bonus was more progressive. It started at 10. 10 sales, you earn $50 bonus every month. 20 sales, and you earn $100 every month. So it was more motivating to progress by steps. But now they took it back to 100. It's okay. It's okay. It doesn't matter. People see 100 as a goal, and you are already paid by the commissions. So yes, the bonus is here, and good luck to reach 100. But that should be your goal. And when you reach it, I don't know. I didn't reach 100 customers on my personal sales yet because I was stuck in French for almost a year. It's been only a little more than 1 year that I've been an affiliate of Builderall, and for the most part, I was trying to promote it in French. But in French, they have a big problem with English, uh, and Builderall is not made for French people, for sure. Um, you know, as an example, in Builderall, they have several languages. This logo, the logo, has been changed. The new logo of Builderall has been changed about 6 months ago. And when you go today to the French version, you have the old site, old website. So before everything happened, this version with the old logo. A logo, it takes what, 5 minutes to change? No, for 6 months it's still here. And when you ask them, you complain, so you are being negative. You say Builderall is not made for French people. Nobody cares about French. They say no, but they are working on it. No. But come on, change the logo. You keep everything crap like this, and you change the logo. No, nobody cares. There's no French working there. So I've been stuck with this. I brought about 100 or more French customers, but they don't stick because they come to Builderall, they see a half translated, badly translated interface. They see the tools, all the tools of Builderall, but there is no video tutorials in French. They want some help, they go to the Facebook groups, it's all in English. The help support, when they try to ask for support, the support team doesn't speak French, so they use Google Translate, and they reply, blah, 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 blah. Oh, come on. And, now the price, the French people, they are paying about $82. When the price is $69, they pay $82 in euros for something that is not made for them, because French, they are not like German people regarding English. They have a big problem. If you see at the rankings of countries, you will see that French is about like in the third world countries in English proficiency. This is due to the system in French. In France, the system. Of course, we learn English at school, but then there is nothing. All the movies, in American movies, they are subbed in French. The voice are replaced. All the signs they are in French, and there is no reason to learn English. I don't know what exactly is the problem, because in Germany, I don't know what is the difference. Maybe because the roots of the language are not the same. I think in French is from Italia, a Roman language, and German and Nordic European countries, they are the same roots as English. I don't know, but the fact is, for French, you need a French interface translated, and you need some support in French, tutorials in French. So Builderall is not made for that. I don't know why I was talking about this. So anyway, the two good news are the e-wallet, which now allows affiliates to be paid like they want, and also the change in the affiliate program. Now we have stopped the madness. It's finished. We can forget about it. It was a few bad months, and now just looking to the future, 2020, and let's make Builderall explode in terms of sales and commission, and good life with a new marketing sales director, David Sharp. Let's see what he has a different mentality. Before it was a family feeling in Builderall. Now it's like army feeling. All the webinars, time waster, but good. It was like a TV show for family feeling. This has been wiped out. It's finished, done. Now we mean business. That's the message. So either you like it or you don't like it. Maybe for people like me who were here before this change, it's a bit brutal change. But if you come on Builderall now, maybe you will like it, because there is no bullshit webinar. No, it's a selling. No. So let's see what this change will mean in a few months, when more things will be put in this feeling, and let's see if this is efficient as the US Army is when they invade a country, they make base. So let's see if this feeling is true and it will work, be efficient. Then, okay, we don't care about the family, things like this. Okay, it's finished anyway, except if it comes back. But now it's finished, it's done. We cannot say it's a family thing, it's finished, you have no webinar. What is the family thing? Where is it? In the Facebook group? No, it's not this. The family thing was about the webinars in Zoom when we could see the same faces of leaders, of people, users of Builderall, mixed with employees of Builderall and talking about mindset, about things like this, or about training, about the tools. This was a family thing. When you have the sales director and the CEO talking and telling you things and then not even replying to comments in the live or just sending a video, this is not family thing, but this is the way most companies operate. So it's not like a surprise. No, it's just another company doing the same, but maybe it's more efficient. So let's see about this in a few months, weeks. Bye bye.